So if you don't have internet access for your Chromebook, there are still a few things that you can do with it. For one thing, in Google Drive, you will still be able to create new Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, so you can work on an essay, whatever. You can start any of these things new and work on them. And then as soon as you get back to some place where you have Wi-Fi access, those things will sync automatically with your Google account. The other thing you could do is, if you are someplace where you do have internet access, even briefly, you could open up like Google Classroom, and as long as you open up the assignment that your teacher has given you, if it has a document attached to it, as long as you open that document up, the document will save to your Chromebook. So even when you don't have internet access, you'll be able to open it and work on it. And again, same thing, as soon as you get back to where you have Wi-Fi access, it will sync with your account. Now, for all of that stuff to work, you are going to want to make sure that in your account, one setting is taken care of. It should be, but it does not hurt at all to check it. So here I am in my Google Drive, and if I look up here kind of in the upper right, you'll notice this gear. So if I click on that and then I go to settings, what I'm looking for is right here, this section in the settings window that says offline, and there's a box here that I want to make sure is checked. It says create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. That's what will let all of your stuff that you're using save to the hard drive on your Chromebook so that you can use it without Wi-Fi access. So do check that, make sure that it's checked, and you should be good to go.